Okay, let's see how to solve this other problem. Here we make 9 to be expressed in base 3 so that we can define 3 raised to power y. So there we have 3 raised to power 2, that's your 9 raised to power y, minus 4 raised to power 3 raised to power y, of course, plus 3, and it was equal to 0. Now we rearrange these powers. You can have it as 3 raised to power y, then send the 2 outside, minus 3 raised to power y plus 3 equals to 0. Okay, next we need to do is define. So let 3 raised to power y be equal to x. On that note, we'll now have x squared minus 4x plus 3 equals to 0. Okay, let's factorize now. X squared minus 4x plus 3 equals to 0. Now the two numbers we are looking for is plus 3, factors of plus 3, and minus 4. And the numbers that will go for that is minus 1 and minus 3. So that's minus 1 and minus 3. So that minus 1 times minus 3 will give you plus 3, and minus 1 plus minus 3 will give you minus 4. So on that note, we are going to use minus 1 and minus 3. So we take shortcut, minus 1 minus 3 equals to 0. Okay, I am allowed to take shortcut because the coefficient of the highest variable here is 1. A is 1 here. So from the first bracket, x will be equal to plus 1. And from the second bracket, x will be equal to plus 3. Alright, so we are not done. Remember we said let 5, is it 3 raised to power, let 3 raised to power y be equal to x. That was what we said before. So now 3 raised to power y is equal to, first value is 3. Let's take 3. It tells us that our y must be equals to 1. The second case, when x is equal to 1, let's substitute for that. So 3 raised to power y is equal to 1 when x is equal to 1. What will be the value of y? Our 1 here can be written as 3 raised to power 0. So it therefore tells us that our y will be equal to 0 using laws of same base that allows us to equate the powers. But what we needed to do was to transform the 1 to something applicable in indices in questions like this. So the value we have for y is 0 and 1. Y is equal to 0 and y is equal to 1. These are the possible values of y. Thank you. I hope you understand the concept. If you need to rewind, feel free to do that so that you can get better understanding. Drop your comments and your suggestion where necessary. Like the video if you enjoy the content, and consider subscribing as well if you don't mind. Let's continue solving more problems. This is Tambari.